All right, guys, so remember, the first step you need to do is cancel the grouping symbols. That's what I did from first step to second step, okay? I canceled the grouping symbols. Now, I need to collect like terms that are alike. So I have a next to the fourth power over here, and I have a next to the fourth power over here. That's why I'm going to be coloring them in red. Now, I'm going to be looking for an x to the fifth power over here, and there's an x to the fifth power over here. That's why I'm going to be using a different color. And for the x to the third power, I'm going to be using the same blue, right, for the x to the third power. Now, I am going to organize my exercise so I can visualize what I was doing before. So it's going to be negative x to the fourth plus 7x to the fourth power, right? After that, I'm going to be moving to my green. That is going to be 13x to the fifth plus 5x to the fifth, right? And then I'm going to be turning into blue, and I'm going to be saying plus 6x to the third plus 6x to the third. Right, guys? Any questions? Any questions up to here? We've done 3 steps until now. Step 1, we cancel the grouping symbols. That's what we have in step number 2. And in step number 3, I collected like terms, right? Now I'm going to be doing the operations between these like terms. I have a negative 1 plus 7. What is the answer going to be, guys? It's going to be 6x to the fourth. And I'm using my red color to differentiate it because the exponent is a 4. Now I have 13x to the fifth power plus 5x to the fifth power. When I add these two terms, I will get
18x to the fifth power.
Excellent, 18x to the fifth power. Finally, I'm going to be turning into my blue color that is saying 6x to the third plus
12x to the third power.
12x to the third power. Very good, my friend. That was going to be step number 4. And in step number 5, guys, what I have to do is organize the exercise in order from least to greatest. 18x to the fifth power, because that's the highest exponent you have, plus 6x to the fourth power, right? And finally, plus 12x to the third power. And we're finished with that exercise. Any questions, guys?
Teacher, you can repeat the last step.
Teacher,
What
so
did
it always...
No. Wait. You remember you gotta raise your hand, my friend. So we can do it in order. I'm gonna be talking with Mr. Gutierrez and then with Mr. Montoya. Mr. Montoya, repeat what exercise number 5. What part of the exercise number 5?
No, teacher, the one who says that was Pacho.
Sorry, Mr. Gutierrez. Yes, you're very right, Mr. Montoya. Mr. Gutierrez, what is the difference between exercise 4, step 4 and step 5? What is the difference?
That 6 square is in the 5 step is in the second place.
Yes, but it's 6x to the fourth power. It's not, there's no squared over there.
Sorry.
I organized the exponents in descending order. Teacher, what is descending on order? Well, you have the tallest. Okay? You're descending, my friend. That's the way I organize them. All right, Mr. Gutierrez?
Okay, teacher.
Mr. Montoya, how can I help you?
Teacher, so it always finishes like organizing the, I don't know if it is like the degree.
Yes, according to the degree of the term, yes, you organize it in order. That's what you're saying. In descending order, Mr. Montoya. Okay, guys.
But all the operations end there.
Yes, you finished.
Like with the descending.
Yes, sir. There's where I finished my exercise. Okay? Mr.
Yes,
Montoya?
okay.
Okay. All right, guys, what is the first step? Can anyone remind me what the first step I used was? Please raise your hand, remember?
Remove the brackets.
Hands? No hands? Okay, Paulo, how can I help you? Tell me, please.
It's not something of the exercise. It's only that Fabio just called me and told me that I told to you that he's in a medical exam,
Yeah.
so he could
Thank
not
you.
be on.
Thank you. Mr. Montoya, what is the first step?